doing Poopsie.
We have an entire box of Poopsie slime surprises. This is Don't Choose the Wrong Poopsie.
I love this golden one. I love all these Poopsies. They're so cute and pretty.
They're going to be competing to see who gets the best Poopsies. Slime, you guys are going to vote and let us know whose Poopsie reigns supreme. Look, if you just do there, it says poop. So Ellie has that Poopsie. Naya, you want to take a Poopsie? All right, and let's see whose Poopsie reigns supreme.
Here I'm gonna say I have this rabbit one. I'm gonna say I have the panda one. Ooh, and I have destructions.
You have destructions.
Yeah. Oh, I got orange. Let's see what's this. Okay, the unicorn food's here.
So you have your unicorn magic. Ellie, you missed out on your unicorn magic.
Can you help?
So Naya has this cute watermelon keychain.
Maybe Ellie will get the pink one.
Whoa.
Oh, that is so cute.
So Ellie got this donut Poopsie. Naya, she got the donut Poopsie. Team Big Sister, here is your cup. It looks like a 7-Eleven Slurpee. And there is your Poopsie. Unicorn horn. Team Little Sister, there's your donut. And you have like a Dunkin' Donuts cup. It's called Dunkin' Deuce. I don't even know what that means.
I don't know.
So Dunkin' Deuce, and here's your stuff. All right, so we're gonna fill this up twice with water. All right, Ellie, there's your first cup.
I'll be really careful not to.
Now let me see your cup again, Naya, number 2.
I wonder how they're going to poop because they're so little.
There we go.
Okay, then add 5 drops of surprise scent. Okay, so this is our unicorn scent.
It has a unicorn horn. It's so cute.
Here is our unicorn food.
Ooh. Oh, it's so pretty, Mommy. My slime's gonna turn pink.
Okay, so next put your top on and shake.
Okay. Mommy, you want a smoothie?
Round 2. Naya, you're gonna pull yours out first since Ellie pulled hers out first last time. And now.
Yeah.
Yay. Oh my goodness. Really want
I really want that like golden pineapple kind of.
Mommy, this is so fun. Thank you for buying these.
Yeah, these are so much fun.
Who do you think Team Big Sister's gonna have in round 2, guys? Leave a comment below.
Okay.
Oh, I have this. Oh, this looks like a cookie you get.
Ooh. So Big Sister has the Starbucks looking cup. OMG. Look at this. It looks like a cake with a little cat on it. Guys, make sure you leave a comment on what their names are. Look how fancy she is. So here is Ellie's cup, which it looks like trolls. It looks like 7-Eleven
This
trolls.
is mine.
What is this?
I love it.
Oh, it's a blowfish. Ellie, you have like a little puffer blowfish. Guys, remember, leave the names for these for us so we know what we have.
Shake, rattle, roll.
It's time for round 3. So we're gonna see, guys, who's gonna win round 3? Team Big Sister or Little Sister?
I'm in. Oh, thank you.
Ow! Why is my bullet out like this?
Mommy, everything in box. Oh, I was like, no. Okay.
Oh, let's see. Instead of White Castle, it's White Castle. Guys, is there a White Castle near you guys, a hamburger place? Well, this is White Castle, which is kind of gross. Oh, and Ellie, it looks like you got a Valentine's Day McDonald's. How cute is this?
Ellie.
Let's see what Poopsies you have.
Oh, I got this one! Oh!
Ellie, you have an actual poop. Look, so Naya looks like she got, it looks like a strawberry ice cream dipped in chocolate with a cute little crown. So
And
cute.
I got a real poop.
Let me see yours. OMG, Ellie got the actual poop. But
Oh, I get it.
at least your poop has pretty lashes and some lipstick.
Ooh, pretty.
All right, who's gonna have the winning recipe? Who do you guys think is gonna reign supreme? Looks like Naya spilled all of her glue in round 3.
No.
So it looks like her round 3 is gonna
Mine
struggle.
actually-
Okay, Big Sister, I think you choose first, right?
Yes.
Naya. Okay, so okay. It's like a blind challenge. There's one right there at the top, right here.
Yeah, we should do a blind challenge to see which poop.
try to make Poopsies blindfolded. All right. Okay, so now it is Ellie's turn. Let's see what they get. Round 4.
Whoa, this is a lot of stuff. I got a panda.
Oh my goodness, guys.
No, she got the panda.
She got Poopda Express. It's like Panda Express. And OMG, this one is super special because it has glitter and it looks like it's from like a malt shop or some type of place with a milkshake.
Yeah.
Oh, she has the panda and look at his little hand. Hi guys, it's me, Panda Poopsie.
Okay, mommy, that's
Okay, what is that? It's like a doggy. It's like a pink doggy with the brown on it. Look how cute. And it's a unicorn, Naya. Shake, 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 ladies, for round 4. Shake to the finish line and see who is going to win.
Mommy, do you think the food is ready yet?
Ellie's number 4 got ruined. She just spilled it all over herself.
No.
Now it's time to pick your next one for round, what is this, round 5?
5,
All right, pick yours out, girls. All right, let's see what Naya has. She's ready. OMG.
Oh my goodness.
What is this? Let me see.
Ooh, that's
Poop all day. It looks like she has like some type of sparkling cider. That's what we're going to call it. She
Yeah,
has
that's what we call it the other day.
I love this bottle. It's pretty. You have In-N-Out Burger, which is in California. Ellie, how cute is this?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Ellie can't see this.
OMG, Ellie, is that a hamburger? You got the In-N-Out hamburger, Poopsie. How cute.
Mommy, look.
Here is Naya's for round 5. She has this strawberry dipped in chocolate.
Why am I like so much rice today? Why?
Guys, leave a comment. Which Poopsie do you prefer? It is now time for round 6. All right, big sister's gonna get hers out of there.
Why is mine like this?
Ooh,
Okay, it looks like Ellie is going to Starbucks and getting a hot coffee.
Mine
A
is so
Poopsie-
funny.
A Poopsie coffee. OMG!
Guys,
Guys, look at this. Let's pause for a second. Let's look at this one. Naya is going to a tropical island and having a coconut drink. Whoa! Look at that.
I got a milk one. Okay,
Guys, look at Ellie. So she has a cow Poopsie.
Oh, look, mommy.
She got the pineapple Poopsie. She doesn't have a golden pineapple. She has a yellow pineapple.
Shake, shake.
All right.
The sparkle.
Oh, so it looks like Naya got a sparkle packet, her second one. OMG! Okay, I'm loving Poopsie right now. Guys, look, she got a Chazmel number 2. It's like Chanel, Coco Chanel number 2 perfume. This is, I love these bottles. Let me see. Welcome to the after party. Oh yeah, Ellie, this is perfect for you because you like to party. All
She
the time.
hates the party, everyone. That's a lie. And
Let's see. This one is based off. This is like the Mexican artist Frida. She has a little unibrow. So this is a Mexican. This is a Mexican lady, a little dancer looking beautiful.
Mommy, this is you.
I'm beautiful
Mommy.
in purple. OMG. Ellie.
Ellie.
Ellie, what are your favorite colors?
Pink and gold.
And
Black.
guys, look at Ellie's dream come true.
I can't
It is pink, gold with black. This is Ellie's ultimate, but it's not her dream come true. It is her nightmare because Team Big Sister got it. All right, but I love yours too, Ellie. Let's go ahead and give you some water.
Water, because I want.
Open your perfume for me as well. Oh, yours is this, Ellie. I didn't even see it's like Taco Bell.
Yeah, that's what
I didn't even see that. It's so open late. She has a Taco Bell cup.
Taco Bell. Shake, Chihuahua.
Final round. We'll make it happen. what is this? So you can get in these weird containers. Okay, so look, Naya got a juice cup. How cute is this juicy poop?
It's juicy poop.
Oh look, and there's a little poop dripping juice right there. I want a juicy poop drink. So Ellie got a Poopsie, but it's supposed to be a Pepsi. Let's see. Oh, it's like what is this? A monkey unicorn?
Yeah,
So Naya, this is your second unicorn that you've gotten.
Yes.
I don't know what he is, but I'm assuming it's a monkey. You guys leave a comment. What is this one? Or is it a puppy? Oh, is it a puppy? I think so. It's a pug. It's Doug the pug. Unicorn. Guys, it's Doug the pug sitting on his little mountain of poop. Pour your round one onto the table, ladies. Or pour it out. Did yours turn into slime? Oh.
Yeah, I did.
With some extra
Look,
juice.
guys.
Did we put too much water in yours? Oh, look at that. All right, you want to go ahead and add your magic to it?
It smells so good. Smell it, Mommy.
Okay, so this is Ellie's. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is some like white shimmery sparkle in it, and it's pretty good slime. You guys let me know. Do you like Ellie's round one? And remember, it goes inside this little donut guy, or donut lady. All right, Naya has magic. Naya in this one, guys, remember she got magic and sparkle. So look at Naya's hands. Let me see your hand, Naya. Okay, wow. Naya had to rinse her hands off because she has a cut. But take a look at hers. Can you guys see the sparkle in that? Let me put it down. It smells like watermelon too. So there's sparkle, and she got the extra one in this one. His little butt. Oh, listen.
Oh,
Ew! So he shoots out watermelon. Round one's done. Now for round two. All right, it's time to open round two. Let's see who's gonna win. You guys vote below. You want me to pop it for you?
Yeah, I don't want to like do
And it may be a little liquid on top. That's what Naya's had. Oh, it had a little excess water in there. So it gets a little stringy when it's too much water.
I got mad because it was orange. I got angry.
Naya's mad because hers is orange.
Ellie definitely won this one.
Oh, Naya, look at that pink magic. Mix it with the water. I think it's supposed to mix with the water, the magic. Okay, so Team Ellie, so you have a blue sparkle one. It's very hard on this camera to see all the sparkle. Let me see if I can turn it down so you guys can see it.
Mine is like
see it a
so
tiny bit.
big.
But there is Ellie. All right, and if remember, hers goes inside her little blowfish. So let me show you guys what this is. All right, so can you see the shimmer on there? Let me know if you can see the pink shimmer. It's gorgeous, gorgeous slime. All right, so put it in your cups, you guys. Oh wait, I forgot to show your lady. She kind of looks like a LOL to me. You guys, let's pour out round three. Who do you think won in round three before you see it? Let's see. Oh, now Ellie's adding her sparkles. She's already there with her sparkles.
Okay, this is my little bit of slime. Mommy, look. This is my little bit of slime.
Oh, is that the one you spilled?
Yeah.
All right, don't put too much in that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, guys, Naya only has a tiny bit of slime because this is the one that broke. This is her round.
I tried to mix it.
So here is Ellie's. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has sparkle
It's so
in it.
cool that water turns into slime.
What's hard about this is you guys can't really see all the sparkle.
It's so cool that this water turns into slime, right?
I don't even know if I could save Naya's because she spilled hers. So Naya's in this round. It would have been pretty.
Aww.
But
Ellie, but your next round is going to be like that.
Yes, it's Naya's round, guys. Let us know who won. Okay, so in this round, if you guys don't remember, Ellie's cup is completely empty. Looks like she would have had pink as well, which really hurts.
You have a... Ooh, Ellie.
Ooh, Naya got pink. Ellie, you have pink too.
Sad.
All right, so this is Naya's in this round. Ellie just has a cup of magic. Okay, her cup of magic just looks like a bunch of white milk. Oh, it scoops out kind of pink. You can't really see it, but that's it. I think that round is lost, Ellie. I think there's no point trying to see. Okay, so in this one, as you can see, Ellie has the in and out. So I'm going to open it so you guys can see. Ooh. All right, Ellie. And now, let's open Naya's coconut. I hope you got this right. Oh, there's Naya. You can barely see it on the screen, so go ahead, Naya. Why don't you pour that out so we can see it? All right, Naya once again has jelly in hers. Hers looks like jelly. Naya's is struggling.
I'm trying to mix it.
So this is Ellie's. It is pink with some glitter inside. There is her little In and Out burger. Okay, so after lots and lots of mixing by me, Naya finally has slime. Alright, so I like these yellows, that purple one. Oh, here's Naya's.
Wait, prices.
It's like a jelly bug. Ah!
Ew, that was so gross.
Here is Naya's final slime. I finally got her jelly to become together. And I don't know what Naya has done to hers, but that's what goes together. Okay, ooh, Ellie's is really stretchy on this round. Ellie got a really stretchy slime. Naya struggled a bit. And there's Ellie's iridescent purple. So there's that. So now it is time for the next round. We have the special sparkle. And let's see what Ellie's. This is Ellie's Taco Bell round.
It smells like ramen noodles. Wait, that's what it is.
Okay, so this is Ellie's. Hers is the orange with it looks like some teal or iridescent in it. Okay, guys, we fixed Naya's. Let's get you a closer so you can see this. Look at hers with the extra sparkle. You can really see it. She has these sparkle stars and they're all over the table. There's more on the table than there is in the slime. But look at that.
Oh!
She sounds like she's kissing me. More than pooping. This is really pretty. Look at my hands.
I am cute. Why can I see them?
Gee. Naya, you want to go to school with this on your face tomorrow?
No!
Guys, what do you think? What would you say if one of your classmates came in with this on their face? Naya's once again is just straight up liquid with a jelly.
All I have is liquid.
Naya, you have the worst slime.
No, all I have, Mommy, all
Here
I
you
have
go.
is liquid. I have nothing else. Oh, I have it.
Okay, so
I have a little
Ellie?
liquid.
Oh, Ellie's is purple. Oh, Ellie, you stole some of Naya's sparkle on yours, so this is Ellie's final, guys. Take a look. She got some purple. This dog is so cute. All right, so let's see if Naya's will poop inside. Naya, I can't even get yours in there. That's it, guys. We are a mess.
Yes, it is so
It's an absolute mess in here, but we had a lot of fun playing with our Poopsies. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is Naya versus Ellie. This is not the Naya and Ellie Toy Show. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Guys, we gotta go to bed.
Yes.
And I think Ellie looks like she has to take a Poopsie. You take a Poopsie, Ellie?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys.